All right, let's take a start. It's speaking part one, and your topic is family.
Okay.
So give me just short answers to the point according to the question, but you can make 4-5 sentences.
Okay.
How often do you meet with your family members?
Mostly I meet them after 2 months. Every 2 months I got leaving from my work, so then I visit my family.
Okay, so you can just add a little more, as I am living in a different city. So after 2 months, when I get leave, then I go back to my hometown and there I meet my family members,
Oh.
right? A little addition. Okay, how do you spend the time with your family member? Now, how do you spend the time means activities that you do. Like you can say we eat together, we watch movies or we watch television, we have chit chat and all that. So please, how do you spend the time with your family members?
Usually we spend time watching TV and play outground. So with family member, mostly we play cricket.
I play cricket.
I play cricket with them, and then at night we go for dinner.
Okay, at night we have dinner or sometimes we go out for dinner, right? But connect your sentences properly. Do you want to live with your family in the future?
Everyone want to.
Everyone wants to.
Everyone wants to live with their family because family is most important thing in life. So I'm trying to live with.
Yeah, I would love to live with my family.
I would love to live with my family in future.
Okay. Are you close to all of your family members?
Yes, almost. I'm.
I'm close to.
I'm close to family members, but most family members I don't really have that connection with them.
Okay, so you can say I'm very close to my father, I'm very close to my mother, although I love all my family members, but actually I'm very close to my father. Okay, or you can say I'm very close to my parents, although I love my siblings as well, but my parents are everything for me, like that. All right, how has your family influenced you? Or what is the impact of your family on you?
There are many things that influenced me.
There are many things that's how my family has influenced me. Okay, so
they teach me a lot. My father is a grammar teacher, so he teach me grammar, and my mother is.
he teaches me grammar.
He teaches me grammar, and my mother also teach me.
My mother has taught me or teaches me.
My mother has taught me that how to live among people.
Okay, all right, that's good. Let's just move on. Do you think you have a small or a large family?
I have a large family. We are about 9 to 10 members in the family. We have our grandparent as well. So we are a large family.
Okay, do you prefer to spend your free time with your family at home or outside?
Well, I love to spend time with them out, but usually we spend time at home. So that's everyone want to spend time out, but we don't really get time to go out for dinner or.
Okay, so for you, my feedback is try to add 1 to 2 more sentences to your answers. Some of your answers are really short, and then there were some grammatical mistakes, so gradually you can overcome those as well.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Thank you.